Hello, Mr. Mitra. I think you did a pretty good job with your drawing skills and values, and last, the coloring part. So let's look at the image once again. I feel that the light is coming from this side. So the most light is falling on the front side of the portion, and as it's receding back there is a shadow, lots of shadow. Now talking about the drawing looks in proportion. This part, like, it's way curved. It may be like this in your portrait, but a little sharp edge is needed around this area. But overall, I think the drawing is beautiful. The shadow shapes, there's a strong shadow shape right here beneath the nose, the shadow shape of mustache on the lower lip, and the ear. The ear is so beautifully done. So well done for that. You have preserved the shadow areas, which I can see the burnt umber tone, and then you have added the various values. So there is beautiful transition. The painting quality is, I would say, it's a bold quality painting. It's not very refined. I personally like such kind of works. So for me, it's working. There are around 7 to 8 values that I can count, and it's slowly turning from dark towards the middle and then light, and then you have placed the lightest light or the highlight on the light area, which is wisely done. Only one thing that you need to improve is this particular portion. Okay, so what we studied in topic 3rd or 4th of Albert's class was the plane change, right? So I can read the plane change here. I can see, okay, the head is receding back, then there is a plane which is coming forward, and because there is highlight here, the plane is again moving in this direction. So here the plane is moving in backward direction. There is a plane change right here, and the value will not be as light as the front plane. So if you could have used a little darker value, or values like somewhere between the current value and this hair tone, then the face would have looked as if it's the forehead is tilting backwards. But now it's the forehead from here, it's popping forward. So that is the only thing that you need to change. Apart from that, a very good job. Just mute down this particular area. Beautiful work.